Haley, what is that?
Pretty neat, huh? Not every day you get to be fired out of a supersized Hot Wheels launcher.
The principles are mostly the same. Been a tough build, but it's ready. The biggest, fastest theme park ever. Come on, we have a slingshot to catch.
Pretty good, no?
What giant Hot Wheels set would be complete without a loop?
I feel the need for cheese! You see the roll meter? It's tracking your Jeep Forza. Go as fast as you can while hitting extreme angles. Magnet track, engage! The birdie!
Watch out for the jump! Stay in the middle!
Vamos!